Hello and welcome back to another strategy video. In front of you I have the Euro Kiwi dollar pair on the hourly time frame, and this is the 123 trading system. Very simple system, doesn't get much easier or simple than this. It's essentially a zigzag pattern, so what you're trying to do is stay with the momentum of the market and take advantage of continued strength or weakness, because it does work in both directions. So as I draw this out, I will label each one of these bits here, 1, 2, and 3. 1 is the initial move, and in this case it's from 155 to 157. 2 is the retracement, and 3 is a confirmation of a higher high. That's all it takes. Now, there are a lot of different variations of this. There are a lot of different ways you can tweak this. A couple of different ways that you might choose to approach this is to at least aim for the width, or the height, I should say, of the move here. So in this case, it's 200 pips. So when you enter here, you need to get 200 pips. So in this case, quick dirty math says 159. And we did, in fact, reach that area here. So you would expect the market to continue going higher. There is also the possibility of using it as an opportunity to pyramid. So you can do something like this, and I'll change color here. The 1, 2, 3 gets you involved, but on the next move, the continuation of the move, the 3 on this, the entry, the same wave that formed the 3, becomes the first wave. This becomes the second wave, almost like Elliott wave, if you're familiar with that. And then that becomes the 3. So what people will do often with this type of system is, say, put in a full position in the first, and then on the second, add something like a quarter position. And then as this becomes 1, 2, and 3, add another quarter position. So you're already up to 1.5 at this point. Obviously moving your stop losses up. There are a multitude of ways to approach this, but obviously it is up to the trader's discretion. If you were to be negative of this pair, you could make this 1, 2, and then 3 and short there, and you would have hit your profit target. About that, probably not a whole lot more. So it does work in both directions. It does tend to work with the longer term trend a little bit better, just because of the added momentum